Hygiene and cleanliness, each and every day, a challenge for any vacuum cleaner. That's why Miele invented Air Clean filter bags. Bags that last 25% longer than conventional random spun dust bags. But how does it work? See for yourself. Dust enters the bag at speeds of over 60 miles an hour, hitting the bag with great force. On a conventional random spun dust bag, dust particles bounce off the bottom of the bag. Consequently, a large part of the filter surface remains unused. Miele's Air Clean filter bags have specially designed air guides which distribute dust evenly throughout the bag and provide a greater surface on which more dust can collect. This results in greater dust retention than in a conventional random spun dust bag. The airflow guides also serve as impact protection. As a result, sharp objects hit the walls of the filter bag with reduced velocity. As the bag is lined with protective netting, it cannot be punctured by sharp items, and filtration is not impaired. In all, there are 9 filter and dust storage plies, serving as filters with decreasing mesh size. 99.9% of all fine dust particles are held back, and the bag still allows the passage of air longer, ensuring powerful suction. The Miele Active HEPA filter further enhances filtration. It absorbs odors and even filters out the finest of dust particles and allergens. As a result, the air expelled from the machine is cleaner than ambient room air. Replacing the Miele Air Clean filter bag is simple and hygienic. Because the filter bag self-seals on removal, dust and bacteria are not re-released into the room, and the dust compartment remains clean. The color-coded bag collar assists in repurchasing the correct type of filter bag for your Miele vacuum cleaner. Only the regular replacement of all filters can guarantee that cleaning performance remains as on the day of purchase.